What's up, YouTube? In this video, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to remove the cloth cover or the leather cover from your Ford F-150. There's little clips that are pre-inserted into the foam from factory, and if you don't remove your cover the right way, you will break these clips. If you break enough of these clips, you will not be able to reinsert the cloth or whatever it is you might be putting back on it, whether it's new leather or new cloth covers or whatever it might be. So I'm going to show you in this video. It's a short video, but I'm going to show you how to remove the cover by just using your fingers. Alright guys, because as you can see, I cut the cloth cover off to let you see exactly what I'm doing. But what you're going to do is you're going to put your index finger up underneath that plastic rod that's clipped in. You're going to push one side of that orange clip as you're putting pressure from underneath and pull that plastic rod up and out. You work your way down. There'll be 4 on each side, and there'll be 3 across the middle at the top. Once you get the last one next to the last one unclipped, you can just slide it out. Also, on these top horizontal ones, you could actually just slide it out from the side as well, if that's what you would like to do. But once again, just put your finger right up underneath it, put pressure on one side of the orange clip, and pull up at the same time. And that's how you get the plastic rods out without breaking those clips. Because like I said earlier, those orange clips are actually pre-inserted into the foam from factory, and they're what holds the cover on.